Hey everybody, Dave here from Practicon with another exciting product spotlight. Today I'm going to be talking about a product that's designed to help eliminate voids and open margins in composite restorations. We call them Compo Dots. These tiny non-stick foam sponges are designed to condense composite in Class 1, Class 2, and Class 3 preps with no voids or open margins. The elastic memory provides an ideal compressive force and prevents drawback of composite upon removal. The double-ended, angled Compo Dots are designed for use either interproximally or the gum line. The angled end is ideal for interproximal composite surfaces in Class 2, Class 3, and Class 4 restorations, while the concave end addresses Class 5 applications. For more information about Compo Dots or any of our other great products, give me a call. 252-752-5183, my extension is 3035, or just email me at dbrown@practicon.com. You can also visit our website at practicon.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.